Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can turn on your auto scroll or how you guys can auto scroll on TikTok. It's pretty simple. So once you open TikTok, just hold on your screen, doesn't matter wherever it is, just hold on your screen and you will get all this option. And from over here you can see the option called auto scroll. Click on auto scroll. So it says next post will be shown automatically. That means my auto scroll has been turned on. So I don't have to lift even a single finger. Once this video is over, TikTok is going to scroll it automatically. So let me show you how it works. The video is over and it scrolls just like this. So that is basically how you guys can get auto scroll on TikTok. To turn it off, it's the same. Just hold on your screen and click on manual scroll and your auto scroll will be off. Now if you don't get this auto scroll feature, then that basically means you have not updated your TikTok. So make sure to update your TikTok to the latest version, because this auto scroll feature is not available in the older version of TikTok. So do that and you should be able to do this. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel for future videos just like this. I will see you guys next time. Until then, have a nice day.